Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your Xiaomi is updated and has enough battery. This avoids interruptions during setup. Open Settings, then go to Additional Settings and tap Languages and Input so you access input methods. Once there, select Current Keyboard to see options, or tap Manage Keyboards to enable Google Voice Typing or Xiaomi Speech Service. You want the speech engine visible. This lets you switch to voice input inside any app. Make sure permissions will be granted in the next step. Now enable the voice engine you prefer, toggle Google Voice Typing or Xiaomi Speech Input in Manage Keyboards. When a permission prompt appears, grant microphone access so the engine can capture your speech. Without this, dictation won't work. Once enabled, tap the engine name to open its settings and choose your preferred language. Enable offline speech if you need it without data, and test the recognition language. These settings improve accuracy and let you use voice typing reliably across apps. Finally, open any text field, switch to the keyboard, and tap the microphone icon to start voice typing. Speak clearly and include punctuation words if needed. If the mic icon is missing, open keyboard settings and enable voice input key or long press spacebar to access voice input. If dictation fails, restart the phone, confirm microphone permission, and clear the keyboard app cache to reset recognition data. If problems persist, switch engines temporarily to isolate whether it's Google, Xiaomi, or system-level audio access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.